Geometry is a Greek word consists of geos, earth, and metron, measure, which means earth measuring. In ancient, the Egyptian, the Romans, and the Greek used geometry in the world of architectural construction. It was used to solve most problems, from building construction and construction to astronomy. Euclid, the famous Greek mathematician and author of Euclid's element, is the most influential geometer. Euclid's Element is a collection of elementary textbooks which definitions of basic geometric principles derive from 5 basic assumptions called axiom and or postulates. The Greek believed that axiom or postulate were so self-evident that they were true without proof. The axioms were 2 points determine a unique line segment, a line segment that can be extended indefinitely along a line. A circle can be drawn with a center and any radius. A right angle are congruent. If two lines are cut by a transversal and the interior angle on the same side of the transversal have a total measure of less than 180, if it extend infinitely, then the line will intersect on that side of the transversal. There are total 30 books in Euclid's Element. Many results about plane figure are provided in book 1 to 4, and 6 was books 11 and 13 is about solid geometry. Book 5 and 7 to 10 mainly deal with number theory and the notation of prime numbers. Rational or irrational numbers are introduced in the books.
In geometry, cakes are often used to illustrate concepts of shapes, fraction, symmetry, and measurement. A round cake is one of the basic shapes in geometry. Helps students understand the radius, diameter, circumference, and area. Besides circle, cakes can also take on square or rectangle shapes, or even polygon involving concepts like perimeter and area. When a cake is sliced to serve, it reflects the concept of fractions such as half, quarter, or eighth. These slides from a sector of a circle teaching about central angle, arc angle, and sector area. For instance, if a cake divided into 8 slides, each sector has angle 45 degree. Moreover, round cake often demonstrate the concept of a circle and its symmetry, making them ideal for turning geometry principle. When a round cake is cut into slides, each slide represents a sector of the circle complete with a central angle and arc angle. For example, dividing a cake into 8 equal slices means each has an angle of 45 degree. Calculate by dividing a full circle, it is 316 by divide the number of slides. The round shape also showcase rotational symmetry when the cake can be rotated around its center by equal angle and still look the same. The decoration on round cake often emphasizes the symmetry, as patterns like the flower of geometry design are usually evenly distributed. Additionally, the circumference and area of the cake can be calculated using the formula circumference equal to pi r and area pi r square, making a round cakes not only delicious but also mathematically fascinating. Let's solve this question. This is an example of question I will solve. The question asks to calculate of the area of the cake slice. The question provides the diameter, which is 20 cm, the radius, which is 10 cm, and pi, which is 3.1416. First, we need to find area of the whole cake using the formula pi r square. We have to do is substitute the given value into the formula. First, pi, which is 3.1416 multiply 10 square. The answer we can get is 314.16 cm. Next, after finding the area of the whole cake, we calculate the angle of each slice using the formula theta equal 360 divide 8. Why 8? Because we can see the cake is divided into 8 slices, and the answer we get is 45 degree. We can know the angle of each slice. The one angle of each slice is 45 degree. Finally, we will calculate the area of a cake slice. We use the formula area of slice theta over 316 multiply pi multiply r square. We substitute the value into the formula. The theta we calculate early is 45 degree, pi 3.1416, and the radius is 10 cm. So 45 over 360 multiply 3.1416 multiply 10 square. The answer we can get is 39.27 cm square. This is how to calculate the area of a cake slice when given a question like this. That's all from me.
Hello everyone, today we are going to calculate the total surface of an ice cream cone that consists of two parts. The first part, the cone, open base, the hemisphere, the top part of the ice cream. Step 1, formula. Identify the most suitable formula for this calculation. Find the formula surface area of an hemisphere, top part of the ice cream, surface area of a cone, open base. The first formula, surface area of the cone, open base, S by R. The second formula, surface area of the hemisphere, 3 pi r square, and that step is total surface area, cone area plus hemisphere area. Step 2, identify the measurement. The measurement is based on Google. Radius of the cone is 300 cm, height of the cone is 8 cm, and the radius of the hemisphere is 3 cm. For the pi, we're going to use 3.1416. Step 3, calculation. The first step, we're going to find this length. The second step, find the surface area of the cone, the open base. The third step, find the surface area of the hemisphere. And the last step we're going to do is total surface area. And we're going to get the answer is 1651.35 cm square.